need someone to save me. No.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is a super rainy day. We actually just went outside. I had to go return something to a neighbor, and when we were about to pop outside, it was not raining, and I was like, let's hurry up, and then it just started downpouring. So Sydney and I just ran to our neighbors. We got a little wet, but now we're back inside. So we are doing a rainy day in the life today. Sydney started out by doing some preschool activities. While I edited, she just did some paperwork preschool. Honestly, throughout this Momtober thing, it might be a little bit more challenging for me to do an actual sit down couple of hours in the morning preschool with her. We have done it, you know, a little bit, but we have also like just strayed from our normal schedule, and that's okay too, like to be flexible with it. But she just did some activities at the table while I finished with my videos, and we are going to be just hanging out inside, not doing anything, going anywhere, like not going anywhere, not doing anything specific, but just maybe a normal day in the life stuck inside with a 3-year-old. Maybe do some indoor activities with her, have a nice warm meal. Ooh, maybe I should start a crock pot meal. I gotta see what I have for like things, what I can make. And what else? Yeah, so just having a cozy rainy day in the life. Sydney's wanting snacks on snacks instead of a sandwich for lunch. She said, what?
Mama, I don't want this piece and this cheese.
You don't want the last 2 pieces of cheese? Because why? Because you want...
Opposite.
Of course you do. So I think I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken and do like a buffalo chicken pasta kind of meal for dinner. I don't really know. I only have frozen chicken, but I'm sure it'll be fine in the crock pot. Also, the light in my kitchen just blew, so I don't have a bulb either. So I just have this one, which is so yellow or orange. Anyway, I am gonna be getting new light fixtures soon. I need to search for like a kitchen one. I don't know what to do for a kitchen one. I'm so not into those type of lights, but I don't really know what else I could do instead. That's easy and like inexpensive, that doesn't require an electrician or anything like that. You're way up in the sky. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken in the crock pot just to have for later. And then we'll get to doing some like an activity for Sydney, because I don't want to just sit on the TV. We watched Charlie Brown, like the Big Pumpkin, earlier this morning, just for fun. So anyway, no more TV time. We'll do some inside activities.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're great.
This is what I have in there. So I have my chicken with buffalo sauce, some ranch, a little bit of cream cheese, some garlic powder, and I would do onion powder if you have it, but I don't, so I just use this onion salt. And then I'm gonna cook that on low. So I just have that over my chicken, and hopefully it's fine because it's frozen. It'll be on low for a few hours. Oh my goodness, you guys. Sydney had to give her puppy a timeout. And she even set up the timer. I usually put a timer on my phone and put it right there, and she has the timeout right there. Wait, why did your puppy get a timeout? What happened?
Because I said no warning, but I would say he can roll us again. I want warning.
He kept running, and you told him no more running?
Yeah, so pup. So pup. I do one with us and be no. Okay? I will do. Thank you. Okay? I promise. We can one again. I want one. Okay? Promise. Pause it.
For saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something
All right, so Sydney is always in love with the dot stickers, so I figured I don't know, maybe do a Halloween themed one, so I did a little jack-o'-lantern, and she just likes playing with the dot stickers, so this is a good fine motor skill. We've done these type of dot sticker activities for over a year at this point, and sometimes I will do letters or like whatever theme or holiday season is going on. And Sydney, for some reason, just loves I think it's because they're stickers. So Sydney absolutely loves activities like these, and she just actually requests them a lot. So I thought it was a cute idea to do a little jack-o'-lantern.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town.
This is another activity I've seen floating around Pinterest for quite a while now. It's the mystery writing. So what you do is take a white crayon and write on a piece of white paper, and it's supposed to appear when I sat down Sydney with her watercolor paints, and it's supposed to appear and be like magic. All right, this next activity there's going to be a magical mystery that's going to appear on the paper, okay? So you're going to use watercolor paint, and you're going to paint all over the paper.
Okay.
And see what magically appears. So take the paintbrush, okay? You got to dip the paintbrush in water.
Okay.
Try to set you up here. Dip the paintbrush in water first, and then pick a color. What color do you want to paint? Okay, good job. Rub it all around the blue. Here, I should roll up your sleeves first. Okay, and then you're gonna paint on the paper.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, 'cause she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch.
I'm not gonna do my hair today. This is just what we're working with, okay? We have Disney Pandora on. Sydney has her little snack, watercolor paints, and she's having fun. She's on her second sheet. I'm gonna walk away from this copyright music. She's on her second piece of paper, so she's having so much fun with that. I am gonna do the dishes, empty the dishwasher, put them away while she's occupied there, and then we'll maybe do something else together. I don't know. I'm trying to like come up with some. She's having so much fun. You can, as long as you want, honey. The next activity we're doing is a little felt jack-o'-lantern. I figured she could make like a little face. This coffee table's kind of out of control right now, but I figured she could make a little jack-o'-lantern face. So I cut out a circle for the pumpkin. Okay, Sydney? Okay. Circle for the pumpkin, and then these are the stems you get to choose from. You can choose which type of stem you want your jack-o'-lantern to have, And then look, I cut out all kinds of different shapes for the eyes and the nose and a couple different ones for the mouth. So you get to make your own jack-o'-lantern face, okay?
So the jack-o'-lantern has this?
Yeah, that's like a stem.
Yeah.
Now you get to choose any eyes and nose and mouth that you want for the jack-o'-lantern, okay? Make it however you want.
Go.
Wherever you want. You can leave it like this, or you can add, yeah, change it up, whatever you want, honey.
Wow! This is amazing. His eyes are on his mouth, and this is on his, and then we can't see him. I did it.
You did it. I love it. Can Mama make one?
Oh, yeah.
You want to see what type of face you want Mama wants him to have?
Yeah.
Okay.
After you make one, I'm going to make yours.
Okay, Mama's going to make one right now. Ready? Okay. I want him to have a silly face.
Silly?
Oh, you want, okay. Look, he's silly. Oh, put his other eye on. Ah, that's a goofy jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, what?
That's a goofy one. You just like layering, don't you?
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging.
It wouldn't be a typical day without like laundry and dishes. Even though we're only a family of 2, we still have so much laundry and dishes. So I feel for you all who have more in your household than 2, because wow. And Cindy's just listening to Disney Pandora. She likes to look at the little squares. By the way, the pumpkin activity was cute, but it only lasted like 5 minutes. I like activities that occupy us for a long time, like the watercolor thing. She did that for a long time. Cold never bothered me anyway.
No.
What?
You can't say this album.
Rude.
And on my wall some time ago, a picture of you. You're standing by.
Well, it's 4 o'clock. I've pretty much lost steam and I'm ready to put the big black rectangle on.
What is it?
I don't know, it's just, you know, I'm like, what else can we do? Cindy's like, I want another activity, I want another activity. I don't even know what to do. I know I have a lot in my arsenal, but what should we do? It's 4 o'clock. Dinner's gonna be ready, probably early, in like 45 minutes-ish.
What, is it dark outside?
No.
There's
Now
a
it's
way.
pouring rain again.
But there's a way.
What are we gonna do?
Is there a way? What means way?
No, it's not late.
No. Can you go outside right away?
We can't, it's pouring down rain. So I was kind of just winging it with dinner tonight because I didn't have, I definitely need to go grocery shopping and grab all of the like condiments and things and cheeses. So I just had the buffalo sauce, as you saw, cream cheese, ranch, and the seasonings in there. And then I ended up shredding the chicken when I was all done and cooked. And so I cooked some shell pasta sauce or pasta and mix that in with the sauce. And luckily I left some of it plain because it ended up being too spicy, as I kind of knew it would. I didn't have a whole lot to cut the buffalo sauce with, so it was definitely too spicy for Sydney, which you'll see I was like tasting it and I'm like, ooh yeah, if it's really spicy for me, it's gonna be way too spicy for Sydney. It was good. I wouldn't say it's the best thing I've ever had, that's for sure, but it was fine.
Playing your guitar, and if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you, the look you had upon.
This is dinner tonight, so we have the buffalo chicken pasta. I don't know how it tastes yet, I will let you know. And then just bread and butter. Simple, cozy, warm dinner. Also, I broke down and I put TV on, so Sydney watched a little bit of Clifford while I finished up dinner and made the pasta. So that's going, and we'll see how she likes it. Oh, of course you're gonna go for the bread first. All right, let's see how the pasta is. I didn't really have much cheese, so I just put some, oh, it's spicy. I just put some Parmesan on top. It's really good. It might be too spicy for Sydney.
Oh no, I think it's
When I said goodbye, I don't know why I let you go, but
Of course, I'm in the middle of editing this video and I'm at the end of it and I'm like, this whole video I was just dead. Like so dead. Yeah, it was just one of those rainy days inside, and it just goes to show you how much, like, I don't know, how much it affects the mood when you're kind of lazy and don't really do much and you're inside and you don't get ready for the day. And yeah, it's just, it was completely different than the other day. It was nice and sunny and I was like so pumped and motivated. So yeah, it just took today to kind of just be bumming around the house and entertain Sydney, even though I really wanted to just veg in front of the TV all day. But overall, Sydney had a great day. And now I'm just gonna give myself a nice hot bubble bath and make sure I go to bed early. I've been obviously busy and I've been going to bed very late, which I don't like to do, but I've just been making it so that I don't have to work so much in the morning, which has just been amazing. But I'm gonna make sure that tonight I am gonna give myself a nice hot bubble bath and then get myself in bed before 10 p.m. and just hopefully wake up and have a lot more energy and just kind of take care of myself. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that you guys, I don't know, those of you who follow, or at least those of you who comment, are usually like, yeah, relatable. So it is what it is. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you in tomorrow's video. Bye.
is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours and we stay up all night, and when morning came